How to make lettuce soup. Lettuce soup is a delightful and refreshing way to enjoy the subtle flavors of this versatile leafy green. Perfect for a light lunch or a starter, lettuce soup can be served warm or chilled, making it an excellent choice all year round. Not only is it nutritious, but it also offers a wonderful way to use up an abundance of lettuce. The best types of lettuce for this soup are those with a mild, sweet flavor and tender leaves, such as butterhead, romaine, or leaf lettuce. These varieties blend smoothly and create a creamy, velvety texture. Ingredients needed: 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 medium onion diced, 4 medium cloves of garlic sliced, 2 cups homemade chicken or vegetable stock or store-bought low-sodium chicken broth, plus more if needed. 8 ounces of lettuce, cord and root ends trimmed, leaves torn if large. 1/4 cup loosely packed parsley leaves, chopped. Salt, fresh lemon juice to taste. Thinly sliced radish and pea shoots, tossed in extra virgin olive oil for garnish. Make the soup. In a medium saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat until foamy. Add the onion and garlic to the melted butter. Cook stirring until softened about 3 minutes. Add the stock. Bring to a simmer. Simmer until vegetables are very tender, about 8 minutes. Add lettuce and parsley to the pot. Cook until wilted and softened, 1 to 2 minutes. Blend, starting at the lowest speed and increasing to high, until very smooth, about 3 minutes. If soup is too thick, thin with additional stock as needed. Season with kosher salt. Add a touch of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavor. Add sparingly to avoid tartness. Garnish with thinly sliced radish and pea shoots tossed in extra virgin olive oil. Serve the soup warm or chilled. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. For more recipes and cooking tips, subscribe to the channel.